Sir, Cadet 4th Class Narvasa request to join the formation, sir.
Manda sa pagsasanay sa harap-harapan. Harap sa kanan. Rap! Harap sa kaliwa. Rap! Harap sa likod. Rap! Harap sa likod. Rap! Manda sa pagsasanay sa paghawak ng sandata. Sa kanang balikat. Ta! Sa kaliwang balikat. Ta! Agop. Ta! Baba. Ta! Siyasat. Ta! Gup. Ta! Baba. Ta! Tanghal. Ta! Baba. Ta! Tikas. Nga. Kaliwang. Po. Man. Da. Harap sa kanan. Rap. Sa kanang balikat. Ta. Lakad patanda. Kan. Pasulong. Kan. Iko sa kanan. Na. Kaliwang paligkat. Kanang paligkat. Kaliwang paligkat.
Sir, first squad, 5th element, Cadet 4th Class Narvasa ready for inspection, sir. 11 General Orders. General Order number 1. To take charge of dispose of all government properties in view. 2. To walk in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. General Order number 6. To receive, obey, and pass on the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. General Order number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. General Order number 8. To give the alarm in case of fire or disorder. General Order number 9. To call the commander and the relief in any case covered by instructions. General Order number 10. To salute all officers, all colors, and standards not case. General Order number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time for challenging to challenge all person on near my post and to allow no one to pass with proper authority. The Cadets Honor Code. We the cadets do not lie, cheat, steal, nor tolerate among us those who do. Golden Rule. 1. The senior officer or the upperclassman is always right. 2. Obey first before you complain. 3. If the senior officer or upperclassman is wrong, refer it to the rule number 1. Military professionalism. Men who adopt the profession of arms submit their own free will to a law of perpetual constraints of their own accord. They reject their right to live where they choose, to say what they think, to dress as they like. From the moment they become soldiers, it needs but an order to settle them in this place, to move them, to that to separate them from their families, and dislocate their normal lives in the world of command. They must rise, march, run, endure bad weather, go out without sleep or food, be isolated in some distant post, and work until they drop. They have ceased to become the masters of their own fate if they drop off their own trucks. If their ashes are scattered to their four winds, this is all part and parcel of their job. Pledge of loyalty. If you work for a man, in heaven's name, work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the institution he represents. Remember, an ounce of loyalty is worth a pound of cleverness. If you must crawl, condemn, and eternally find fault, why resign your position? and when you are in the outside down to your heart's content, but as long as you are part of the institution, do not condemn it. If you do, the first high wind that comes along will blow you away, and probably you will never know why. ROTC Reviewer. ROTC Reserve Officers Training Corps. Definition. A program designed to provide military training to students to develop discipline, leadership, and preparedness for national defense. Objectives. Develop patriotism and nationalism. Enhance leadership and discipline. Prepare citizens for national emergencies. Support the mission of the Armed Forces of the Philippines or the AFP. 2. Military courtesy and discipline. Military courtesy, polite and respectful behavior shown by military personnel. Examples: proper saluting, use of respectful salutes, titles, sir, ma'am. Proper conduct during ceremonies. Discipline, willing obedience to lawful orders. 3. Chain of command. Definition, the line of authority through which orders are passed. Importance, maintains order and discipline, prevents confusion, ensures accountability. 4. Drill and ceremonies. Purpose, develop teamwork and discipline, instill precision and obedience. Basic commands, attention, parade dress. Forward march, halt, left and right face. 5. Patrolling basic theory. Definition, military operation conducted by small units to gather information and provide security. Types of patrol, reconnaissance, patrol, combat patrol, security patrol. Rules during patrol. Maintain silence, observe surroundings, follow orders, maintain proper interval. 6. Map reading. Purpose, to determine location and direction. Key elements, map symbols, compass, direction, grid coordinates. 7. Leadership. Definition, the ability to influence others to accomplish a mission. Qualities of a good leader: integrity, responsibility, decisiveness, courage. 8. AFP core values: honor, services, patriotism. 9. Nationalism and patriotism. Nationalism, love and loyalty to one's country. Patriotism, willingness to defend and serve the nation. Chain of command. Commander-in-Chief President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. Chief of Staff General Romeo S. Berner, Philippine Army. Secretary of National Defense Gilberto Chodoro Jr. Reservist and Retiree Affairs G9 Philippine Army. Colonel Alfonso D. Matias Jr. Philippine Army. Commanding General Philippine Army Lieutenant General Antonio G. Navarrete Philippine Army. Commander of Reserve Command Major General Ronald Jes S. Alcudia Philippine Army. Commander of 9RCDG Colonel Arnold L. Gasalatan, Infantry Master of National Security Administration, Philippine Army. Commander of 1st Infantry Tabak Division, Major General Yegor Ray P. Baroquillo Jr., Philippine Army. Commanders, 102nd Brigade, Brigadier General Samuel G. Yokyo, Philippine Army. 901st CDC Director Colonel Lino L. Araya, Junior Artillery, General Staff Corps, Philippine Army. ROTC Commandant Major Jonard E. Sagape, Philippine Army Reserve. Assistant Commandant First Lieutenant Mandia G. Lagos, Philippine Army Reserve. ROTC Admin NCO SMC Sergeant Junbert C. Quinto, Infantry, Philippine Army. ROTC Admin NCO ZDS PGC Sergeant Ruby D. Espinosa, Philippine Army Reserve. Corps Commander and Staff Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lizelle Jean F. Calderon, First Class, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Reinhardt M. Cabasag, First Class, S1 Adjutant. Cadet Major Maria Carmel D. Manguray, S2 Intelligence. Cadet Major Kevin H. Laylay, S3 Operations. Cadet Major Kim M. Aribal, S4 Logistics. Company Commander Cadet Major Kim M. Aribal, Second Class, Alpha Company Commander. Cadet Major Roman James C. Shaw, Second Class, Bravo Company Commander. Platoon Leaders Cadet Captain Leonard Tolentino, Second Class, First Alpha. Cadet Captain Kent Seidel G. Arsua, Second Class, Second Alpha. Cadet Captain Jocelyn G. Obregon, Second Class, First Bravo. Cadet Captain Jamaica M. Arevio, 2nd Class, 2nd Bravo. Mission: to train and develop college students in the Regiment of Military Science in order to produce capable reservists and future reserve officer of the AFP. Objectives: to promote ROTC cadets with fundamental concepts and principles of military art and science to develop leadership and managerial potential. To develop strong sense of personal integrity and honor responsibility and good citizenship. Attract, motivate, and prepare selected students to serve as commissioned officer in the active or reserve force of Philippine Army. Parts of rifle M16. Muzzle, flash suppressor, barrel nut, slip ring, barrel, front sight, handguard cap, handguard liner, handguard, barrel extension, carrying handle, trigger, trigger guard, magazine, pistol grip, receiver, rear sight, cocking piece, stock, comb, butt plate, heel, butt.